Just in here, now introduction this blackjack with a Seletar reservoir for the hobby RC boat. So now I want to tell you, this is my new setup. This is the ESC 300 ZTW. Come with the 5.6 motor, 800 kV, and here we come together with the 25 kg, the servo, and the introduction. My prop is Okra 57. So now I got set up this capacity. You see the bank cap. The bank cap is I have a 12 here. I take it about, we talk it about the joking about install the twin cam 16 valve. So now I want to test run this boat. So see how this thing perform. Thank you very much.